My budgies are mating. Hey everyone! I hope you're doing well. Today, I wanted to talk to you about my budgies and their mating behavior. For those who don't know, budgies are a popular pet bird species. Known for their colorful feathers, playful personalities, and their ability to mimic human speech. However, their mating behavior can sometimes be a bit confusing. Well, my budgies started mating recently, and I've been keeping a close eye on them to observe their behavior. As you can imagine, this has been quite the spectacle. The first thing I noticed about their mating behavior was the courtship. They would flutter their wings and dance around in front of each other, exhibiting their colorful feathers and trying to impress each other. It was quite adorable. Once they were ready to mate, they would start making small nests out of leaves and other materials. It was fascinating watching them do this, as they would sit on top of the nest and start laying eggs one after the other. It's important to note that budgies mate for life, so it's essential to understand their mating behavior to ensure that their breeding success is high. After the eggs are laid, the female will start incubating them, and the male will feed her and the eggs. Overall, mating behavior in budgies can be quite interesting to observe. And it's a great way to understand their unique personalities and the stages of their breeding cycle. If you're lucky enough to have a pair of budgies in your home, keep an eye on them and enjoy their mating behavior.